Okay, I'm back again. I've sorry, this has got lines on the chart because it's the second take of this video because it got disturbed. Um, the As I said earlier from the first video of today, I wasn't near my charts and missed a couple of perfect opportunities across a couple of three pairs, and so I've had to just wait. And as I said in this morning's video as well, when a level is broken, like this strong daily level, the bottom yellow line there, yesterday's high, price tends to come back and test it, or it is likely to, because we know we're trading support and resistance, tests and retests of support and resistance using trend analysis, and so I just waited patiently for this to pull back. This actually pulled back. It seems to have bounced off of this little bit of support and resistance here, and not come quite back to test that level. It often does that, as I say, when I put my targets, always keep them shy of the levels for whatever reason. Don't know why that happens, but it does happen with regularity. So yeah, we broke through this daily high. Price jumped up about 60 or 70 pips by the looks of it, and as I say, we pulled back. So if I had jumped in without using the plan, if you like, always trading from a pullback, you can see I would have had to suffer this drawdown, and that's more than I want to be risking. What else can I say? Yeah, the other interesting part for me was that we had a nice bit of room to what they call, or what has been called, first resistance, if you like. If you're trading from a pullback, the first resistance will be the first high on the left hand side, and then future targets will be further. So you can always expect price to sort of bounce around here. So why not close your trade? If you're that aggressively trading, you can just re-enter. Okay, it'll cost you the spread, but there you go. The other thing to take into account here is also the daily range. I mean, the average for the last 10 days is 215 pips, the last 4 days is 226, and the last 2 days is 214. So at this stage in the day, without any news, you always check your news before you trade as well. It's sort of fairly high probability that the price will continue in the way it's going. So you've got three or four things to take into account on the chart. The high probability of these reversals, as you can see, that was a winner. That one was a winner. Well, we proved that one was a winner. That one alerted and it went up. That one alerted and it went down 25 pips. That one alerted and it went up. This one, obviously, well, it failed, but you wouldn't be, that's the middle of the night, and also it's contra trend. You don't want to be trading down against an uptrend, but you can see what I mean. They're high probability. That one there went up, this one went down, that one even got 5 or 6 pips if you're a scalper, and that one failed, but we've just talked about trading against the trend. So high probability, we're with the trend, the alerts happened. All I didn't wait for a pullback on this one. I just hit it right on the nail. Take profit up there, as you can see. Stop down here, well away from all the stop. Could have been safely really there, but you just it doesn't hurt to be extra safe. I would have closed it manually. I watch these trades anyway. If it had come down through this resistance, remember, resistance acts as new support. So stick a level on there, and you can see where price is bouncing around. Stick a level on there. We trended through here as well. Remember, that's what the alert is telling us: low, high, higher, low, old resistance acting as new support, and then the price is doing what we expected it to. So patience and discipline, follow the rules. Oh, the only other thing to mention is when you're looking at this, you need to check that it hasn't confed or alerted down on the higher time frame, the 30-minute. Always check you're not trading against. So I wouldn't want to enter a 15-minute against a 30-minute alert. And that's it. So patience and discipline has paid off again. Follow the plan, make your plan, and follow the plan. Thanks for watching.